This is McBeans Orchids in Lewis, and I would like to introduce you to Jim Durrant, our head nurseryman, who is going to talk briefly about Lowianum Magnificum, which has been to every single Chelsea flower show.
Right, this is Cymbidium, which is a type of orchid. It's Lowianum Magnificum. It's a plant that originally came from sort of Indochina, right through Myanmar, into Thailand, even in Vietnam. But they grow at a high altitude, literally about 1,500 foot, right up into the sort of the cloud forest, where it's cooler and much more humid. This particular plant we've had on the nursery since 1900, which was quite early on. The Lowianums were first introduced to the West in 1879, I think I'm right in saying, which incidentally is the same year that McBean started. So we've had this one, I say, for about 120 years on the nursery now. There are different variations of Lowianum, but this is our sort of McBeans variety, if you like. And it's a beautiful, beautiful plant. Okay, Lowianum has been to every Chelsea show that we've done because it's so late flowering. I mean, it literally flowers in sort of April time. Most of our Cymbidiums are finished by then, but the Lowianum, just because of its climatic origins, tends to flower much, much later. So it's an ideal Chelsea plant. I mean, it's a beautiful thing, sort of nice curvature forward sort of thing. And it just really is the perfect plant for the perfect show at the perfect time. There are many forms of this Lowianum. This is this is the McBeans one, the famous one that's been to all the shows. But you can also get this one, which is Lowianum concolor, and you can see this is an albino version. And you can get all the extremes between this. Even today they're discovering new ones. In fact, there's a couple of orchids about 2 years ago in America, and some of them are very, very dark. They're very, very dark chestnut brown, and they come right out to these really pure albino ones. So there's a whole range of them, but this is the famous one that we know its history, we know how many shows it's been to.